Welcome to this 2-minute yoga routine. Before we begin, please make sure that you have enough space to move around and a comfortable surface to sit or lie on. Start by taking a deep breath in and out, focusing on your breath. Bring your attention to the present moment and let go of any distractions. Begin by sitting on the floor with your legs crossed, back straight, and hands resting on your knees. This is the easy pose. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, slowly raise your arms up above your head, reaching towards the ceiling. Inhale deeply and as you exhale, bend forward, reaching towards your toes. Hold this position for a few breaths and then slowly come back up to the seated position. Next, lie down on your back and bring your knees towards your chest, giving yourself a gentle hug. Release your hug and let your arms and legs rest on the floor. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, focusing on the sensation of your body on the floor. Take a few more deep breaths and when you're ready, slowly get up and stretch your body. You have just completed a 2-minute yoga routine. Remember to take your time, focus on your breath and listen to your body. Namaste.